Hey everybody, do you like eating healthy? I love eating healthy. Guess what we're gonna do? Yep, you got it. We're making some sugar-free desserts. I'm gonna be making a couple of them, and I'm gonna be making a sugar-free chocolate muffin from scratch. But today, what we're gonna do is a giant coconut chocolate chip banana bread cookie. I'm not gonna make them giant. I'm gonna make them into cookie size. So then that way, it'll go longer. Because the people in this house like eating, they like eating the cookies. I made peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, dark chocolate chip cookies, regular, not so healthy. The dark chocolate was the only thing that was healthy. But, yeah, they were gone within 2 days. So anyway, so what we're going to do is I am going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. Okay, what we're going to be needing is a banana. But bananas, whatever. Dark chocolate chips, flour, coconut flakes, and I got the unsweetened because that's what it calls for, is unsweetened shredded coconut flakes. I got the Truvia Sweet Complete Brown sweetener with a hint of molasses. And this has can you see it? 0 grams of sugar. It's got 8 carbs, so that's pretty good. We got coconut oil. We've got salt. We've got vanilla, we've got baking soda, baking powder, and my fancy container of cornstarch. Oh yeah, I forgot we need parchment paper because I don't like using just my pans. I like putting parchment paper on it because it kind of saves them a little bit. So we're going to be working back over here with the mixer. Yeah, I've got several desserts going on, so it's like, hello. But this is the first one that I'm going to do. And then I already have the other ones listed in my videos because I'm doing apple crumble. Yeah, no, I'm doing an apple nan. I might have that one on there. And I'm doing the pina colada. Yeah. So anyway, let me get all this stuff over here and get it together. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I've chunked up my bananas and I put my brown sugar, my coconut oil, and my vanilla in my mixer and mixed it together. I forgot to turn my camera on, so that's why I'm missing that part of the footage. And I'm just sitting here explaining to you what I did. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put 1 cup of chocolate chips in there. And I use the dark chocolate because the dark chocolate has less sugars in it and it's better for you. Now we're going to add our coconut flakes, our unsweetened coconut flakes. I'll have the recipe down in the description when this is done, but I think it's 1 cup. And then we're going to mix all this together. Okay, so what we're going to do here in a separate bowl is we're going to add our flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and our cornstarch, and we're going to mix it thoroughly to where it incorporates with each other. I will link this recipe down in the description. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add this to the mixture and let it mix together thoroughly. Once it's mixed together, guess what? We're ready to put it on our pans. What the mixture will look like once you are completed with it. Okay, I've lost some footage here, but what we're going to do is we're going to put them on a pan, and then we are going to put them in the oven and bake them for at least, I think it said 20 to 30 minutes. And that, my friend, are our cookies. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Talk to y'all later. See ya, bye.